Are you searching for the perfect garden tool that won't break the bank? Wondering which tool under $15 is making waves in 2025 and capturing the attention of gardeners everywhere? With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know which ones are truly worth your money and time. Imagine a tool that not only fits your budget but also saves you hours of backbreaking work, letting you spend more time enjoying your beautiful garden and less time on chores. Today, I'll introduce you to 20 must-have tools that every gardener should know about, including hidden Amazon gems, clever hacks, and affordable picks you might not have discovered yet. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools are designed to make your gardening experience smoother, easier, and more enjoyable, so you never struggle in the garden again. Let's dig into the essentials that will transform your gardening experience, boost your confidence, and help you tackle any project with ease. Get ready to watch your garden story flourish like never before, because your journey to a thriving, beautiful garden starts right here. First up, let's talk about the garden fork, a true essential in any gardener's toolkit. This humble tool might not look flashy, but it's a real workhorse, quietly making a huge difference in your garden's health and productivity. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the garden fork is a must-have for anyone who wants to nurture their soil and grow thriving plants. With its sturdy tines, the garden fork gently aerates the soil, allowing air, water, and nutrients to reach plant roots more easily. This process helps preserve the natural structure of the earth, which is vital for healthy root development and strong, resilient plants. Unlike more aggressive tools, the fork doesn't compact the soil or disturb the delicate ecosystem beneath the surface. Unlike a power tiller, which can be heavy, noisy, and sometimes too harsh for your garden beds, the garden fork works with nature, not against it. Its gentle action means you're less likely to harm earthworms and beneficial microbes that are essential for soil health. Plus, it's much easier on your back, making gardening a more enjoyable and sustainable activity. So, before you instinctively reach for a spade, consider the gentle strength and versatility of a garden fork. It's perfect for loosening compacted soil, turning compost, or even harvesting root vegetables without damaging them. The fork's design allows you to work efficiently and thoughtfully, respecting both your plants and the living soil beneath your feet. The garden fork is truly a timeless tool passed down through generations of gardeners. By using it, you're not just tending to your plants, you're building a healthy, vibrant garden from the ground up, one gentle step at a time. The hand trowel is your go-to for planting, transplanting, and detailed work. Choose one with a solid grip and sturdy build. It should feel like an extension of your hand. From digging holes to scooping compost, it's the tool you'll use most. Invest in quality, and you'll have a gardening companion for years. For healthy plants, sharp secateurs are a must. Clean cuts prevent disease and encourage growth. Use them for pruning, deadheading, and harvesting herbs. Look for a comfortable fit and keep the blades sharp. Quality secateurs are an investment in every plant you grow. Meet the Hori Hori knife, a trowel, knife, and saw in one. Its serrated edge slices roots, the concave blade digs, and built-in measurements make planting bulbs easy. It's perfect for weeding, dividing, and transplanting. No wonder it's a must-have for gardeners everywhere. The weeder screwdriver, or dandelion weeder, is a simple tool that pulls stubborn weeds out, root and all. Slide it alongside the taproot, lever it out, and you're done. It's a back saver and a time saver for targeted weeding. For big weeding jobs, try the Wolfgarten multi-change weed extractor. Stand up, twist, and pull weeds, roots and all, without chemicals. It's efficient, eco-friendly, and turns a chore into a breeze. Smart gardening means using the right tool for lasting results. The long-handled hoe lets you weed, shape, and plant without bending. It's perfect for large beds and keeps your back happy. Glide it under the soil for effortless, meditative gardening. Ergonomic tools make gardening accessible for everyone. Cushioned grips, smart angles, and lightweight strength. They reduce strain and let you garden longer, pain-free. Avoid flimsy plastic. Choose quality materials for durability. Comfort and strength mean you can garden for years to come. Real kid-sized tools make gardening fun and safe for children. Give them a trowel, rake, and watering can. They'll feel like real gardeners. It's a hands-on way to teach patience, nature, and responsibility. Cultivate family memories and the next generation of gardeners. A good hedge trimmer keeps your green walls neat and healthy. Regular trimming encourages dense growth and lets sunlight in. Cordless electric models are quiet, powerful, and easy to use. Shape your space with crisp, clean lines and lush hedges. For thick branches, invest in quality loppers. Look for forged or stainless steel. Cheap plastic shears break and dull quickly. Quality tools last a lifetime. A good pair feels balanced and makes clean, healthy cuts. It's an investment that pays off every season. Great tools don't have to be expensive. Amazon has hidden gems under $15. Claw gloves and simple soil testers are clever, affordable picks. Look for sturdy metal heads and read reviews for durability. Budget tools make gardening accessible and fun for everyone. Claw gloves turn your hand into a digging tool, perfect for planting and loosening soil. They protect your hands and speed up small tasks. A simple, affordable hack for efficient planting. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Use a soil tester to check pH and moisture. Just insert the probe and get instant feedback. Knowing your soil helps you make smart, targeted improvements. It's the easiest way to ensure your plants flourish. Small space gardening is trending. Use compact, lightweight tools for balconies and patios. Short-handled trowels and cultivators are perfect for containers. Aluminum tools are strong yet easy to handle. Create beauty and abundance, no matter your space. Vertical farming kits let you grow up, not out. Perfect for urban spaces. Stack planters or wall pockets to maximize yield and beauty. Water trickles down, saving resources and reducing pests. Vertical gardens are living art and proof you can grow anywhere. The 5-gallon bucket is the ultimate garden multitasker. Planter, carrier, stool, and more. Drill holes for drainage and grow anything from tomatoes to potatoes. Use it to carry compost, mix soil, or even as a seat. Smart gardening is about creativity, not cost. A good tool carrier keeps everything organized and within reach. Try a bucket with an organizer apron, a canvas tote, or a tool belt. Stay efficient and never lose your favorite trowel again. Stainless steel tools resist rust and last for years. Soil slides off easily, making cleanup simple. They're a smart investment for any gardener's toolkit. Choose stainless steel for tools that look and perform great season after season. Forged tools are the gold standard, crafted from a single piece of steel for unmatched strength. They're nearly impossible to break and last for generations. These are heritage tools, passed down and cherished. Invest once, and you'll have a partner for a lifetime of gardening. Imagine having not just one or two, but a full set of 20 essential gardening tools right at your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tools are designed to make every step of your gardening journey smoother and more enjoyable. From digging and planting to pruning and watering, each tool has a unique purpose, helping you nurture your plants and create a thriving green space with ease. Gardening isn't just about hard work. It's about connecting with nature, finding joy in the little things, and watching your efforts bloom into something beautiful. With the right tools, you can transform your backyard into a sanctuary, a place where you can relax, unwind, and feel proud of what you've accomplished. To help you get started, we've put together a free checklist of must-have tools and tips for every gardener. Simply download your checklist and check the pinned comment below for our top Amazon picks. These are tried, tested, and loved by gardeners everywhere. We've done the research so you don't have to, making it easy for you to find the best tools for your needs and budget. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Every gardener deserves access to smart, reliable tools that make their passion even more rewarding. Your support helps us create more content and share even more tips and hacks with the gardening community. So go green with ease, enjoy every moment in your garden, and remember, there's always a new hack or tip waiting for you in our next video. Thank you for joining us today, and I can't wait to see you in the next gardening adventure. If you have any questions, suggestions, or want to share your own gardening experiences, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you, and I'm always here to help you grow your green dreams.